Okay, I think it works. Cool. Hi there friends, I'm Robert. I'm an up-and-coming brand new YouTuber who literally decided to pop out from those what was that? What is this? I have been watching YouTube just as long as probably all of you have. Hopefully not as much, but I would find myself being down in the comment sections and I would look at how people are always making comments about whatever, and I kind of just wondered, what would it be like for me to have people talking about whatever in my videos? So more importantly than just getting comments down below and just making this video for the fun of it, I'm actually making this video more for me, more for you, more for us. Because the time that it took to make this video be viewable by you all, it had a history. If we're to see YouTube as a community of people who are creating things for people to engage with in one manner or another, I have been very blessed for as many years as I've been watching YouTube to be in front of many creators who create to produce wonderful content for people like you and I to watch, to engage with, to think about. And being down in the comment sections for as long as I have, always looked up to them. Never once had I thought about being a YouTuber myself in the sense of creating content or being on the screen himself, until one day my girlfriend actually had the idea to start a YouTube channel. I never thought about doing it, but and I was blown away by the fact that she could say something like that so easily that I didn't think anything about it until I would wake up the next day and I was just filled with these thoughts and these ideas of skits or I don't know, videos that I could be making or even things I could be talking about to create an audience, a community myself even, with people who I want to call my friends. And being the people person that I am, I was very much drawn to that. So I got to work and I found myself thinking of what it would take for me to start making my very first YouTube video. No longer just being a YouTuber down in the comments section, but now being a YouTuber here who is interacting with you all, hoping to be hopefully something of a positive contributor to your life. Or at least for today, right? For however many minutes we have together. But knowing that I would be nervous about making my very first video, I started to look up other YouTubers like most of us would, and I found myself learning from quite a few of them who said, at the very least, to make this about you. And one of the things that I found myself learning, friends, is that even though there might be a bajillion videos out there, even then there might be more than a bajillion, about the same thing that has been done over and over and over again, there hasn't been a video about that one thing done by you. Your way, by your talents and your skills, and I loved that. So here we are, ultimately a couple days later, with a tripod, with a camera, with the scenery and trying to set up the perfect lighting and everything, and I'll tell you, it was very fun. The whole experience was not stressful until I started pressing that record button. And I found myself wondering, what am I even gonna say? What am I even gonna create? What would even be beneficial for the people out there in the world to see? And now here I am giving my blurb. And I can only hope that if there's anything that anybody gets from this little video, it is this. This video is about, it's about you knowing that pressing that record button, wherever it might be on your camera, is worth it. Because even though it was stressful for me to come up with ideas or to come up with the products or to even know if I could do it or even know if I was good enough or capable enough of doing something like this, I'll tell you, it is fun to know that I can create something that I will be proud of by the end of this whole production and share that with you all, and perhaps have some of you all see this video and be touched by it enough to want to do something like this yourselves. I know that making videos and having people view you is a vulnerable thing. I haven't made one until this first one, of course, but I know for a fact I'm going to be very much making more videos and I'm going to be exposed to that. But just because it's vulnerable doesn't mean it's bad. Being vulnerable shows you that you want to connect, shows you that you're willing to put your guard down long enough to have someone view you as an actual human being. That the person that you're seeing on the screen isn't just another person who is talking I don't know, who's just talking for the fun of it, just to waste your time, but they're there to contribute something to your life. Maybe even to show you that there is goodness, or a light, or a hope, or maybe even something to be happy or excited for, frankly. So, by and by I found myself making this video. Here you are watching this, so what's the point? The point is that I am proud of the fact that we have skills and talents that allow us to create things for people to benefit by. And I know very well that there are going to be a lot of wonderful things that we create in this channel. And you're going to be a part of that. At least, I hope you won't be. I mean, I thought we were friends, right? So, just to kind of conclude my little thoughts here, I want you to know that I am very proud of you. You, whether that is Robert, or you, the viewer, or you as a soon-to-be friend that I hope will be a soon-to-be friend, thank you for being willing to start. And whether it's Robert who's starting this video, or you, the viewer who watched this video, or you who literally decided to do something that was out of your comfort zone, thank you for being willing to be vulnerable enough to try something new. Because as such, we benefit. So, with all of that being said, you're amazing, you're incredible, you are very much worth it, and I cannot wait to have you back here again very soon. So, with those being my little thoughts for now, just stay tuned. I honestly cannot wait to see what will come out of all of this. So, thanks for joining me on this one, friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Like I mentioned earlier, there was the concept of getting the perfect lighting, getting the perfect tripod, getting the perfect scenery set, whatever, making sure that I would not look at the lens, whatever, that I would not take a look at the screen, but the lens itself, because apparently that is what people do behind the camera, whatever, I don't know, or in front of the camera in my case.